Hi everyone, how you guys doing? My name is Gary. I'm the operator of the auto Purlieu, and I'm the behind the scene for all this video that you see. First of all, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, people who follows me and who watch my videos and like my video and comment. I appreciate all that you do for me, and that encouraged me to upload and make more videos and have content for you guys. And my goal here in our community is to help you guys to maybe you have the same project that you're working on, and I can help you with my little knowledge, and maybe I can help learn something from you guys too. With that being said, thank you so much for everything, and I have a great news for you guys. YouTube has given me a opportunity to grow more for our community. So we have this membership that you can join, and you can support me to grow as well, so I can provide more videos and content for you guys. And why don't you check this out, how it works. Okay guys, so the membership is this how it works. I'll show you a couple. This is my page, and if you join my membership, let me show you this too. This is at the Cindy. See this membership here. If you go to my join. So shout out to Ate Cindy, Ate Jessica Demopoy, and shout out to Ate Mel's World, and also Daily Gary. That's my personal account. Anyway, so if you go to my page, I will have this join membership. So if you're subscribed, if you're just subscribed, you can see everything I have in public videos. But if you join the membership like this, and if you click join, they will have something like this, you know, depends on solid, gold, and diamond. So each region will be different, mine will be different. So there's a monthly fee, and this will help me grow my channel. There's a silver, what is that? It says silver, gold, and check it again, and diamond. So let's go start like maybe silver. The first perks will be if you comment. Well, you on the first perk, on silver one, you will be able to access my private videos. I'll give you an example for that. Like this guy, Mikey's Automotive. I have a perks here. I subscribe. I am member to his page, so I can see all his video, private video, not just the public videos, and you get access for that. And so for me, you will have an access for my private video, but if you just subscribe, only public video you'll see. Everything you see in public will be there. Also, if you're a member, you are my priority to comment on your question. I have to answer it, and I'll try all my knowledge, my best knowledge, to answer your question for that. So you'll be the first, my priority to answer the question. So those are the two main, and the third one for that is, you know, help your brother out. I mean, I don't really do much here in my in my shop, and it will provide me to buy more tools, and I can create more content for you guys. Okay, and then let me say shout out again to Cindy, Matildo, Ate Cindy, and Ate Jessica Demopoy blog, and they helped me out. Ate Mel's World community, thank you for you guys. And if you guys want to follow me, this is my Daily Gary. That's just my personal. I do raffle for that. Okay. Second perk, second membership, the gold one. I'll show you what kind of perks you will have for that. Okay, for the second option, second perks, I think it's like $4.99 a month. You will have the same benefit as the first one, priority comment, and I'll answer your questions, private videos and stuff. If you remember that, I will give you a giveaway. I'll give you a free giveaway right away. This is one size fits all hat. I have a hat for you guys. Oh, look at my shop. And on my private video will have like this, show you how ugly is my shop right now. So I'll give you a hat with a choice of, let me see, let me get you here. There you go, Purlieu hat. I got a black one too as well. Let me show you. There you go. I'll give you one of these. You pick one. Automatic, I'll send you one. An Purlieu hat. That's pretty cool, dude. I like this black one too. A Nike hat. See that Purlieu. This one is Purlieu hat. There you go. Snapback. There you go. Also, that's not it. You will also have access to all my tools. Let me show you. That's my shop, by the way. It's right by my house. You will have access to all the tools that I have. Give you an example. If you're working on keys and you don't have the tools that I have, you can ask me a question and I will see what I can do for you. Let's say you're looking for a key and I have this Auto Smart book right here. You don't have this. With your membership, with a gold membership, the $4.99, whatever you need for the key, I will help you and message you, make you a video, a private video for you, so you can see actual. I will tag you too. I will mention you, your page. I'll give you a shout out. So, give you an example. Let's say, okay, let's just say this car I'm working on, 2006 Chrysler 300 domestic. Let's go to Jeep Chrysler 2006 Chrysler 300. There you go. Chrysler 300. I know it's right here. 05 to 06. Key page 16. All the information you need, the key for this car will be here. Your FCC number, what type of remote, how many cuts and beating. Sometimes it tells you what will work and what not for the programmer. Auto Pro pad, question mark. I do have an Auto Pro pad. I do have a Autel IM508, so we can try that. We can try that. I can do that for you. All the information that you need. That will be the perks for you. I think that's really good perks for keys. And every question you have for keys, I'll try to do my best to make a video, a private video for you guys. If it doesn't work, I'll make it work for you. We'll see. Second, as for a mechanic, and well, that's for the locksmith side. Okay, and the next perks for that, for a mechanic, if you're working on your car and you don't know where's the location, what you need, I give an example for this car that I'm working on. So for that car, I'm working on let me see what we have here. Control arm, stabilizer, end link bar. There you go. Have the parts here. Couple stabilizer right here. and you don't know how much you're charging a person, your customer, I can help that with you too. I have these, to give you example for these, this is my, I got a ALLDATA and on-demand 5. So let's go to on-demand 5 right here. I can go to the vehicle. I'm already here in the vehicle. Let me go back again for the vehicle. Let's go to the 2006, let me see, Chrysler. Okay, this is a Chrysler 300 limited, and let's say estimator, because I want to estimate how many hours is it. So I'm going to the front suspension, and as you can see here, there's a stabilizer bar control link. That's what it is. So this one for both sides, it'll take only 0.6 hours. 0.6 hours to do that. I can provide that for you. This software here, you'll be access for you. Any car, I mean, not all cars, of course, I'll try my best. This one, it can only go all the way up to 2015, and the closer to 14, 15, sometimes sometimes inaccurate. So maybe I can upgrade this maybe next year with this membership that you will help me. I can upgrade this every year at least, at least or more. Let's go to repair. Let's say you go into the, let's swaybar link. Let's go back. I'm gonna type a swaybar link. Repair. Oh, let's go to actually we'll just go to suspension. Let's see. And I'll give you a video for this for you. Suspension front. Suspension front. Let's say we go to front. Now we have all-wheel drive. There you go. I can give you a diagram for that. That's what it'll look like. Number 3. This is swaybar link. That's what it's gonna look like. And this is gonna be access for you. And I have this on demand and also in the ALLDATA. So if it doesn't work, this might work for you. So I have 2. You can go here to, let's say, new vehicle. This goes to Chrysler. And this one 300, and that one is 3.5 liter. Okay, let's go to suspension, steering suspension. There you go, suspension. Go to suspension, and this one will have a stabilizer bar. There you go, front suspension. There you go. All information here will be your access as well. And I got different images here. If you have any question, I can provide it for you. And I'll do my best to make a video, whatever. I mean, I cannot promise that I will have everything, but I will do my best. So those are the perks that you can have. And the last perks, like, I don't even know how to use it. The last perks, the last membership is the platinum. What I can do, I have a couple cars here. Let's say this one, I have a Z3 Coupe. We have a question. I can see what I can do to compare it to what you need. I own a Civic too, so I have a little bit of knowledge on that. Same thing with the Pilot, and of course everything that I learned from all my other customers, I would like this one. This is my customer. She had look at this Hello Kitty car. So whatever what experience that I have that we can relate on your project, I'll help you. And this is my Armada, and my 135. That's my dad's and that's mine too. So that's what I can say. If you have any questions, just let me know. Join my membership, just so you can help me grow, and I can help you guys what you need. And maybe one day we do full-time. This is my goal, to have a full-time job here in my shop. Okay guys, thank you And I'll see you next time.